history's echo, and a fast, engaging animation that shows glimpses of the mysteries and technologies of the past. From the depths of forgotten empires emerge innovations that defy our modern understanding. Welcome to History's Echo, where we uncover the forgotten brilliance of civilizations long past. Today we delve into 7 ancient technologies that continue to baffle scientists and historians alike. Prepare to question everything you thought you knew about the ancient world. Imagine a world, thousands of years before the Industrial Age, where people built structures that outlast our modern skyscrapers, forged metals tougher than anything we can produce today, and engineered clocks capable of tracking the cosmos with baffling precision. We think of ourselves as the peak of technological advancement, yet scattered across the globe are artifacts and structures from antiquity, whispers of a lost knowledge that flatly contradict this belief. These are not simple curiosities. They are complex technological marvels that continue to stump our brightest scientists and engineers. They force us to confront a humbling possibility that ancient civilizations possessed a profound understanding of the universe, materials science, and mechanics that has been utterly forgotten. Today we delve deep into this forgotten history. We begin our journey with a construction mystery that supports the very foundations of the modern world, a formula for endurance that has been lost to time. Roman concrete. We use concrete today, of course, but our modern mix is structurally flawed for the long haul. It crumbles within a century or two. The Roman Empire, however, built colossal structures like the Pantheon, the Colosseum, and sprawling aqueducts that have stood firm for 2 millennia, often submerged in the corrosive environment of seawater. The secret, scientists have discovered, lies in their mix of volcanic ash, lime, and seawater. This composition, particularly when exposed to water, creates a chemical reaction that allows crystals to grow and self-heal cracks over time. Essentially, the Romans' concrete became stronger with age, a revolutionary concept that defies our current material science. The exact perfect recipe, the blend that allowed them to build structures like the massive, unreinforced dome of the Pantheon, which remains the world's largest to this day, is a secret we are still trying to reconstruct. The megalithic puzzle of precision. From the enduring stability of Roman architecture, we pivot to the sheer, impossible scale and precision of the Great Pyramid of Giza. This is perhaps the most famous ancient wonder, yet its construction remains arguably the most baffling. The sheer volume of labor and organization is staggering, but the technical challenges are what truly confound experts. How did the ancient Egyptians move and precisely place over 2 million massive stone blocks, some weighing upwards of 70 tons, to heights exceeding 450 feet? Conventional theories involving ramps and sleds struggle to account for the necessary space, time, and logistical demands. Furthermore, the precision is mind-boggling. The base of the pyramid is level to within an inch, and the 4 sides are perfectly aligned with the cardinal directions, north, south, east, west, with near-perfect accuracy, an alignment that would be difficult to achieve even with modern surveying tools. The limestone casing stones were cut with a level of precision that allowed them to fit together so tightly that a razor blade cannot be inserted between them. This is not simply a matter of moving big stones. It is a demonstration of advanced geometry, astronomy, and stone-cutting technology that far surpasses what we attribute to the early Bronze Age. The Great Pyramid is a testament to a technological and mathematical knowledge base that seems utterly out of place for the era it was built. The clockwork of the cosmos. The pyramids reveal a masterful grasp of physical geometry. Our next artifact points to an equally profound mastery of theoretical mechanics and astronomy. Discovered in a shipwreck off the coast of Greece, the Antikythera mechanism is a 2,000-year-old device often described as the world's first analog computer. What began as a corroded lump of metal has been meticulously reconstructed to reveal an astronomical clock of bewildering complexity. This sophisticated bronze device contained an intricate system of over 30 precisely machined interlocking gears, far smaller and more complex than anything known to have existed for another 1,000 years. It was capable of predicting solar and lunar eclipses, tracking the irregular orbit of the moon, and charting the cycles of the known planets with a degree of accuracy that is astounding. The technical sophistication embedded in this mechanism challenges the entire timeline of human technological development. The level of gear-cutting precision, Differential gearing and mathematical foresight required to design and build this mechanism suggests a technological tradition that flourished and then vanished entirely. Who designed it? What was its technological lineage? And why did this knowledge of complex mechanics disappear from the historical record, only to resurface centuries later, during the European Renaissance? The mechanism remains an isolated masterpiece, an echo of a lost age of advanced Greek engineering. Harnessing the invisible force. Our focus shifts now from celestial mechanics to the manipulation of a more terrestrial force, electricity. The Baghdad battery, or Parthian battery, is a 2,000-year-old artifact discovered near Baghdad in 1936. This humble clay jar, housing a copper cylinder and an iron rod, when filled with an acidic liquid like wine or vinegar, has the potential to produce a small electrical current. While the primary function of the battery remains a subject of intense academic debate, some dismiss it as simply a storage vessel for scrolls. The electrochemical potential is undeniable. If it was indeed used as a battery, the implications are staggering. What was the electricity used for? Some theories suggest its use in electroplating small gold objects, a process of gold gilding known as fire gilding, while other more speculative ideas propose its use in early forms of electroacupuncture or even rudimentary pain relief. The key puzzle is the absence of a clear record explaining its function or widespread adoption. It stands as a technological outlier, an understanding of electrical power millennia before Volta and Franklin. Even if its purpose was mundane, the existence of a functional voltaic cell from that time period raises profound questions about the forgotten depths of ancient scientific knowledge. The metallurgical enigma. We move from the mysterious Baghdad battery to a legendary material that has obsessed metallurgists for centuries: Damascus steel. Swords forged from this metal were the terror of the Crusades, renowned for their incredible sharpness, exceptional flexibility, and devastating strength. Tales describe these blades as being able to slice through a silk scarf dropped onto the edge, yet remain flexible enough to bend 90 degrees without breaking. Visually, the steel was distinctive, featuring a wavy flowing pattern on the blade known as mujar or watered silk. Modern science has examined samples of these original swords and discovered a secret that points to a profound understanding of material science. The structure contained carbon nanotubes and cementite nanowires. This nanostructure is a hallmark of extremely controlled advanced metalworking. The recipe for creating this specific structure was a closely guarded secret of the Middle Eastern smiths, and tragically, the method was lost completely around the 17th century. Modern metallurgists can replicate the pattern, but they cannot perfectly replicate the legendary properties of the original steel, particularly the formation of those nanotubes. The inability of modern high-tech labs to perfectly reproduce a medieval metal alloy remains one of the greatest technological mysteries in material science. Nanotechnology in a Roman chalice. If Damascus steel showcased an unwitting mastery of nanomaterials, our next artifact proves that ancient artisans had the astonishing ability to manipulate matter at the microscopic level: the Lycurgus cup. This 4th century Roman glass cage cup is an object of exquisite beauty and bizarre properties. When light shines through the cup, it appears ruby red. When light shines onto the cup, it appears jade green. This dichroic effect is no accident of chemistry. Modern analysis revealed that the Roman craftsmen incorporated minute particles of gold and silver, specifically nanoparticles of silver and gold, into the glass matrix. These metallic particles, roughly 50 to 100 nanometers in diameter, are suspended in the glass and interact with light in a phenomenon called surface plasmon resonance, causing the dramatic color shift. In essence, the Romans were pioneering nanotechnology, the manipulation of matter on an atomic and molecular scale, over 1,600 years ago. The level of control required to grind and suspend these precious metals into particles this small, without the aid of electron microscopes or modern chemical processing, is simply mind-blowing. The Lycurgus cup is silent proof that forgotten ancient processes achieved results that we would label as cutting-edge 21st century science. The unseen force of ancient knowledge. We conclude our journey with a civilization whose entire system of knowledge was a technology in itself: the Mayan cosmic knowledge. While the Maya did not leave behind a single gear mechanism like the Antikythera, their mastery of abstract systems like mathematics and astronomy enabled them to achieve predictive capabilities that we would envy today. The Mayan calendar, based on incredibly complex mathematical cycles, was astoundingly accurate, tracking time with a precision that rivals modern astronomical calculations. They developed the concept of the number 0 independently and used a base 20 numbering system, which allowed them to perform calculations necessary for their celestial tracking. Furthermore, the Maya were able to predict solar and lunar eclipses, chart the movements of Venus, and calculate cycles over tens of thousands of years, all without the aid of any optical instruments. Their great observatories, aligned to key astronomical events, were not simply temples but precision instruments carved into the landscape. This profound level of theoretical knowledge, expressed through their calendrics and architecture, represents a technology of mind, a sophisticated intellectual framework for understanding the universe. These 7 technologies, from the immortal Roman concrete and the engineering of the pyramids, to the clockwork computer of the Greeks, the electrical potential of the Baghdad battery, the nanofiber of Damascus steel, the dichroic glass of the Lycurgus cup, and the cosmic mathematics of the Maya, are more than just relics. They are a profound challenge to our linear view of history. They prove that technological advancement is not a constant upward march, but a series of peaks and valleys, where profound knowledge can be gained, utilized, and then, inexplicably, lost. The mystery is not only how they built them, but how the blueprint for such genius simply vanished, leaving us, the inheritors of their legacy, scratching our heads in wonder. We are left to ponder. What other astonishing secrets remain buried in the sands of time, waiting to completely rewrite the story of human capability? These 7 technologies are not just relics of the past. They serve as a powerful reminder of how advanced ancient civilizations truly were, and how far the human mind's creativity can reach. They challenge us, raising questions in our minds. Are we simply rediscovering the knowledge of the past? Or is that knowledge forever lost? Which ancient technology has astonished you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And to uncover more profound mysteries of the future, don't forget to subscribe to History's Echo. In our next video, we will unveil yet another astonishing ancient mystery. Be ready to hear the echo of history.